The new Amazfit Helio Strap Pro is here, and it's taking on one of the biggest names in screen-free fitness tracking, the Whoop 5.0. Both are built for athletes, but they take very different approaches to training and recovery. In this video, we'll compare them side by side to help you decide which one gives you the better value. Welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Let's get started. Price comparison. Let's begin with the price because this is where these two differ the most. The Amazfit Helio Strap Pro costs around $199 with no monthly subscription. The Whoop 5.0 works on a membership model, starting at around $199 per year, with higher plans costing even more depending on the features you choose. Over time, Whoop becomes the more expensive option. Design and build. Both devices follow a screen-free design, making them lightweight and comfortable enough to wear all day and while sleeping. The Helio Strap Pro introduces a unique two-sensor system. One sensor is worn on the upper arm to track heart rate, while another can be worn around the waist to analyze movement, stability, and exercise technique. It's designed especially for HYROX athletes and hybrid training. Whoop 5.0 keeps its familiar single fabric band design. It's comfortable, lightweight, and built for continuous 24/7 tracking, focusing more on recovery and daily health instead of movement analysis. Battery life. Battery life is strong on both devices. The Amazfit Helio Strap Pro offers up to 10 days on a single charge. Whoop 5.0 delivers around 14 days depending on usage, giving it a small advantage if you want fewer charging breaks. Health and fitness features. This is where these trackers become very different. The Helio Strap Pro is designed mainly for performance training. It tracks heart rate, HRV, sleep, recovery, training load, biocharge energy score, and movement quality. The biggest upgrade is its dual sensor system, which provides detailed body movement analysis and station-by-station performance for HYROX and hybrid workouts. It also works well with Amazfit balance watches for even deeper training insights. Whoop 5.0 focuses more on recovery science. It offers advanced sleep analysis, recovery scores, strain tracking, HRV monitoring, resting heart rate, skin temperature, respiratory rate, and personalized coaching. Higher membership tiers also unlock features like ECG, blood pressure insights, and biological age tracking. So, if your goal is improving workout performance and movement efficiency, the Helio Strap Pro has the advantage. If recovery, long-term health insights, and daily coaching are your priority, Whoop 5.0 remains one of the strongest options. Smart features and connectivity. The Helio Strap Pro can broadcast live heart rate data to compatible Amazfit watches, gym equipment, and supported fitness apps through Bluetooth. It also integrates with the Zepp app for detailed workout analysis. Whoop 5.0 doesn't have a display either, but its mobile app delivers detailed recovery reports, sleep coaching, training recommendations, and long-term health insights. The experience is built around its subscription platform. Final verdict. If you're a HYROX competitor, strength athlete, or someone who wants detailed movement analysis without paying a yearly subscription, the Amazfit Helio Strap Pro is the better value. Its new dual sensor system makes it one of the most unique fitness trackers available today. But if your main focus is recovery, sleep coaching, and advanced health insights, and you don't mind paying a yearly membership, Whoop 5.0 still offers one of the best recovery platforms on the market. For most users looking for the best balance between features and cost, the Amazfit Helio Strap Pro is the smarter choice. For serious recovery-focused athletes who value coaching above everything else, Whoop 5.0 is still hard to beat. That's our comparison of the Amazfit Helio Strap Pro and Whoop 5.0. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next one.